The 30th ASABE Historic Landmark was designated in 1993 in recognition of the development of the center pivot irrigation machine. Until well into the 20th century, almost all irrigation of agricultural crops was by surface irrigation, running water from open ditches down furrows for row crops or flooding close growing crops. In 1947, Frank Ziebach, a tenant farmer living near Strasburg, Colorado, began working on an automatic self-propelled sprinkler irrigation system. In 1952, Ziebach was granted a patent for the Ziebach self-propelled sprinkler irrigating apparatus. The irrigator, now commonly called a center pivot, consisted of a pipeline fitted with sprinkler heads at appropriate spacings that pivoted about a pressurized water supply pipe at the center of the irrigated area. The pipeline was supported by towers spaced about 100 feet apart. A small portion of the pressurized irrigation water at each tower was used to power a cylinder that drove the tower's wheels. Cables kept the tower in alignment and prevented malfunctions. Early center pivots irrigated about 120 acres. Ziebach and a partner began to manufacture the sprinklers in Columbus, Nebraska in 1952, making 10 in the first 2 years. In 1954, Valley Manufacturing Company in Valley, Nebraska, now Valmont Industries, purchased manufacturing rights for the center pivot. Center pivot irrigation has become increasingly popular since its invention. Electric motors have replaced the original water drives. Water emitters have changed from impact sprinkler heads to devices that discharge water near the soil surface, minimizing non-uniform application caused by the wind. Customized center pivots adapt to many field sizes and shapes. The saving of irrigation labor is perhaps the main reason for the center pivot's popularity, but eliminating the runoff and non-uniform water distribution of surface irrigation is also a major benefit. As of 2002, approximately 164,000 center pivots were in operation in the United States, comprising 79% of the sprinkler irrigated acreage. Center pivots are also widely used in other countries. This photograph shows center pivots located in southeastern Libya. In 1993, ASAE commemorated the center pivot sprinkler as an historic development in agricultural engineering. The commemorative plaque is mounted on one section of an early Ziebach water drive system at the Pioneer Village Museum in Minden, Nebraska. Pioneer Village is also the home of ASAE's Lubin Round Baler plaque and many other artifacts of our agricultural heritage.